And in just a few minutes from now, Alt News co-founder Mohammed Zubair will walk out of Tihar jail after spending more than 3 weeks in custody. The Supreme Court, in a significant order today, gave him bail in all the cases that had been filed against him. That included 6 FIRs filed by the UP police. In some strong observations, the bench, led by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, said that the power of arrest should be used sparingly. The basis of the bail today was that the Delhi police is also investigating the same tweets against which various cases were lodged against him in UP, and that CNC had already also got bail in the Delhi matter. There was no justification to hold him in custody in the other cases. The court said that there was no reason to prevent Zubair's liberty. The UP Police Special Investigation Team, which had been set up to probe the UP FIRs against Zubair, has also been disbanded by the Supreme Court today. So all the FIRs in UP have now been transferred to Delhi. The Supreme Court has extended Zubair's bail to any future cases as well, not just this one, or the ones that were already registered against him. In fact, during the hearing today, the UP government asked the bench to stop Zubair from tweeting once he's released. However, Justice Chandrachud said a firm no. He said that you cannot tell a journalist not to write. If he violates the law, then he is answerable for that as per the law. The Supreme Court had ordered Zubair to be released at 6 p.m. today. The formalities have been completed a short while ago, and we're told he is expected to walk out of Tihar jail any moment now. My colleague Akshay Dongre joining us now for more on that. Akshay, tell us more about the formalities themselves, what to expect.
Well, we are outside the Tihar jail right now, and Mohammed Zubair is expected to walk out. In fact, in a few minutes from now. So the entire process of the past 23 days, where Mohammed Zubair has been in judicial custody, not for 1 day or 2 days or a week. He has been there for almost a month now, and this is the never-ending cycle Vrinda Grover, in fact, talked about in the Supreme Court as well. There were 7 FIRs that were filed against him in UP, 1 FIR that was filed in Delhi, that was filed in the month of June. And because of the cases that were in fact they were filed in a way that the release of Mohammed Zubair would have been very, very difficult had the Supreme Court not given that order to release Mohammed Zubair in all the cases, in all the FIRs, older and the new ones. And that exactly is the reason it took so long for him to in fact to walk out of jail, to walk out of the judicial custody. Remember, he has already been given bail in the Delhi case, for which the Supreme Court had asked for him to in fact submit a personal bond of about 50,000 rupees with the court authorities, as well as in the Supreme Court 20,000 bail bond has been asked to be filed. But the entire way the cases have been filed, as far as the tweets are concerned, is in fact a big question mark on the way the entire legal process has taken place. And in the case of a journalist, the way UP government had asked in the court that the court should give an order that Mohammed Zubair should not tweet anything as far as his release is concerned. That also raised question mark on the intent and on the reasons, the way he in fact was kept in the judicial custody,
right,
in not just one case but one case after another case. As soon as he used to get a bail, he used to be arrested in the different case that were in the string of cases that were filed.
It was described as a
UP.
vicious cycle actually by Justice Chandrachud just the other day before today's order came.